Robert here with Realty One Group MVP, and today I'm standing here with a commercial opportunity, a very rare commercial opportunity on Cortez Road. And you can look up the comps, guys. There's no comps. Nothing gets listed on this road. Nobody's coming off their properties on Cortez Road in Bradenton, Florida, guys. There's very, very scarce opportunities, and this is a medium-sized opportunity. It's not a small opportunity. It's not an extra large opportunity. So it's not this big astronomical price tag on it, guys. It's that road frontage right here on Cortez Road. And this is right across from Cox Mazda, right next to Cox Chevrolet, right next to Wyman's Plumbing. It's got a car wash on the other side. Billboards, guys. This is an old veterinarian office. This used to be like a real staple in the community, a really well-loved veterinarian. Fortunately, he passed away, and now I have the property for sale, guys. And I'm sure a lot of people know just by the looks of the building what I'm talking about, where I'm at, right? If you know this area, if you're from Bradenton, you're looking for an opportunity to have road frontage like this much traffic coming by all day long, guys. This is just under a half an acre of land. I'm gonna do a little tour. I'm gonna be honest, the building it's salvageable, but it's definitely an older building, needs some work, guys. But the value is in the land. And right here, guys, you're right going into US 41, 26th Street West, right over there. And then not too far, you're going down to 75th and then Anna Maria Island. So you're about 5 miles from Anna Maria Island. You're probably about 5 miles from downtown Bradenton and about 10 miles from downtown Sarasota. So 1.2 million, guys, is the asking price. Not a lot to ask for this exclusive, rare opportunity to own some prime real estate in Bradenton, Florida. As you know, Manatee County is one of the fastest growing counties in all of Florida, guys. One of the fastest growing counties in the whole country. As you know, Tampa Bay is like number 1 or 2 in the fastest growing area, the hottest real estate markets in the country, guys. So if you're looking for a new location, if you're looking for a new home base, a new headquarters for your business, for your corporation, a satellite office, right? I have this road frontage right here, guys. This here, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna flip this around. So this is 3102 Cortez Road. Used to be an animal medical center. Right here on the left, you got the car wash. Like I said, you have Mazda right there. I'm trying to sell this to Cox first, so I'm waiting for them to call me back. Obviously, they're the prime candidate for this because they have a storage lot right here. Chevrolet is right there. And then you just have Wyman Plumbing in the middle. So we just need Wyman Plumbing to sell, and then Cox can expand their operations. Probably even put another different dealership here. So let me show you actually the lot. So there was some storm damage with the fence over here. It has an apartment in the back too. So it's a fully functional, like in-law apartment out back. So we'll just walk through this back way here. From what I'm told, this is a little bit of a lowland, so you'd have to re-irrigate it just because the water that comes off of here. So you do get some water here, so you'd have to regrade this lot. And just, you know, but it is zoned commercial, residential, guys. You could do multi-family here. You could do, you know, different businesses. You just have to follow the current setbacks, things of that nature, guys. If you wanted to rezone it, I mean, it's pretty much fair game. You can just about put anything here. So, but yeah, I had a little apartment back here. I'll try to take you through that in a minute. And this is the lot, guys. So got all the way to that wall, all the way to that fence. This was a veterinarian office, so there's like outdoor kennels. There's a lot of things already set up. If you want to turn it into another veterinarian office, you just plug and play. Done. It's just you can start, you know, open your doors right after you close. You know, just get the place cleaned up a little bit, but it's already fully set up to be with all multiple, you know, medical rooms and kennels and, you know, storage, along with living quarters in the back, guys. So as you see, like the storms blew down the fence, but the property line comes to like about right there. So it's gonna come right through about, I think, to that pole roughly. But yeah, it's a great location, guys. Look how much traffic comes by here. It's insane. It's not rush hour. This isn't school hours. This is just all day, every day. 7 days a week, 24/7. I'm gonna do a quick run through. Excuse the mess, guys. They're getting ready to clean this out. Probably do an updated video, but you have a room here. Well, as soon as it's cleaned out, you got an examining room here. You've got some rooms in the back over there. It's all set up with different, he's got all like x-ray equipment he can offer as well. You know, all kinds of radiology equipment. See if I can get these lights to turn on. Storage and kennels here. Got some more exam rooms and offices back here. Let's see, we'll go back here. Got all the kennels back here as well. Good amount of square footage, guys. If you want to redo this, like the floors, you know, concrete floors here, all slab. Definitely got some older ceiling tiles, stuff like that, guys. Bathroom. I forget how he said, but there's like a way I can get through to the apartment or something. I don't know if it's here. No, I don't think it's this way. Not even sure how to navigate this place. I think maybe it's this door here. There we go. It's like a maze, this place. So we got laundry room here, freezers, utility room. Then this goes back into the apartment. I think that goes back into like more rooms or something over here. I'm not really sure. More storage or something. Okay, got more storage. This keeps going and going, guys. It's just room after room after room. So you could either tear this building down, put up something new, or, you know, just rehab what's already here, guys, and run with it. You know, it's got outdoor to the patio there, full bathroom. Got like another room back here with a closet. You got this area, so it's like a fully, like, 2-bedroom apartment, guys. You got another bed here, another bedroom. So 2-bedroom apartment, 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment in the back. You get some income off of this right away. Just clean it up, you know, or clean up the front, rent that out if you wanted this as an investment property, guys. I feel like, I don't know, I'm supposed to shut that light off. I don't even know where the switch is. All right, guys. So what we got, I know there's some outdoor kennels out there as well. But But yeah, so there's your AC units. Those are in good shape. So those are newer. Electrical is up to date. But yeah, definitely needs a cleanup, guys. Definitely needs a rehab. Needs some love, but it's a great opportunity, guys. This is a huge investment opportunity if you got the right idea, you know what you're doing. You got the business that'll fit right here in this perfect location. Boom. So yeah, guys, thank you for tuning in to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. And if this opportunity is for you guys, contact me at 941-879-4730. Robert Lunt with Realty One Group, MVP, listing specialist, new construction specialist, guys, investment specialist, guys. So, you know, just think of the value right here, right? You get it for 1.2. You know, commercial properties value, okay, at 10x the net operating income. So if you can turn a profit consistently out of this location, you can sell that. This place will have the value of 10x, you know, with the business, obviously, of whatever the net operating income is. So you can 10x your annual income here. You can get 10 years worth of income. You just go to work for a couple years, you know, put a nice location here, or whatever your business is, right? And that's how commercial properties are evaluated, guys. So there's a real opportunity to invest here, and it's a prime location, guys. So I hope you're hearing me, and I hope to hear from you. So call me if you're seeing this video and you have questions, or if you're looking for a different commercial property, I can help you with that as well. I'm a commercial MLS member. I list commercial properties anywhere, guys, in the state of Florida. 941-879-4730. Robert Lunt, Realty One Group. Have a great day.
True.